Good morning to all of us. My name is Barita Senturi as the moderator, and Radhika Febrani as the first speaker, and Ruth Marbun as the second speaker, and Indasari as the third speaker, and Fernando Silitonga as the fourth speaker. How to make a Medicom logo?
Create a new document to make a logo in CorelDRAW. After installing the software, the next step that must be done when you want to create a logo in CorelDRAW, of course, is to create a new document. Click File, choose New, then set the present.
Determine the page size to make a logo in CorelDRAW. You can determine any size according to your logo needs. However, in this tutorial, the select page size is 14 x 14 cm. This is based solely on the needs for a logo creative beginners. If in about the page size don't be conscious, you can style change it in the middle of working on the logo really.
Determine the page size. How to make a logo in CorelDRAW. You can determine any size according to your logo needs. However, in this tutorial, the selection page size is 40 by 40 cm. 40 by 40 cm. This is based solely on the need for a logo created by beginners. If indoors the page size, don't be confused. You can still change it in the middle of working on the logo really.
4. Create guidelines. Guidelines are one of the most important elements when creating a logo, because guidelines can help you figure out of the midpoint of the page. To make it, select the menu Layout, Page Out, and Guidelines. Click the Show Guidelines box in the display column, then move the horizontal column. Enter the midpoint of the page. Glenn use 14.14 cm page, so the midpoint is 20 cm. Adjust the units of measure, centimeter, pixel, etc. And don't forget to include them in the vertical column as well.
5. Start creating the initial shape. Well, how to make a logo in CorelDRAW? The next one is quite easy. You just have to decide what shape you want to use. Here, Glenn used the ellipse tool to create a round logo. You can use our shape tool like Polygon, Artistic Media, and the freehand tool.
Position the shape. The next step is to position the shape as desired. To get identical shapes, you just need to click on the identical shape. Then press Ctrl+C to copy the shape. Multiply the shapes by using Ctrl+Shift+C in order to create a repeating pattern from the identical shape. The pre-built guidelines will be of great help in placing the various shapes and this page.
To make a logo in CorelDRAW, Command Lift is to color the shape that have been created. Click the interview field tool, hover over the shape you want to see. Then click Fill Color Related on the property bar. You can choose a color from the color viewer color slider and also color palettes. There is a wide variety of color and palettes so you can choose colors more easily.
The next step is to edit the text, namely the name of the company along with its abbreviation or model. Click the text tool in the toolbox on the left with an icon like the letter A. While the font used in the logo is usually determined by a company, business, or any brand. This is because the logo is a visual representation of a brand. You have to actually answer to company name so people don't just see the picture. However, this can all be adjusted according to the brief given by the client or company.
9. Make furious variation. How to make a logo in CorelDRAW. When creating a logo in CorelDRAW, you can create various variation. You just need to save the logo by going File, Save, or Save As.
That's the percentage that we bring about making a Medicom logo. If there is, we have an error in Word.